Nunoo Android 12 Wireless CarPlay for Mercedes-Benz, C-Class, W205 2014 to 2018, car multimedia navigation, GPS, SWC, DSP, 4G Wi-Fi, Android 12 8-core Qualcomm Snapdragon 665 chip, 8GB RAM plus 128GB ROM, enough storage space and faster running speed. Mobile phone connection CarPlay and Android Auto. The car entertainment system can be connected to your phone using an iPhone app and an Android image on the car's screen. Easy installation, only one screen and connection cable. Don't need external box or complex measures. Professional video help with installation. Dual system free switching, compatible with the original car system. Original car system plus Android system. Dual system can be switched at will.